Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add and manage Siri for your SOUNDCORE Dot free. You have to start by open the application and then go to the controls here. Now decide you wanna use double press or press and hold to call Siri, and click on the best one for you. So I'm going to double press and I'm just click on it. Then decide you wanna use the left or right earbud. I'm going with the left one, but it's the same with the right one. Just click on it and choose Siri here. Now you can go back, and if I press 2 times on this control on my left earbud, I should call a Siri. So let's check it. 1, 2. And as you can see, Siri is awake, so it worked. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!